New update, guys. This is a new trick that makes me $50 to $300 weekly.
You can see this is the latest question, and this is the amount they are willing to pay on this platform just by answering this question. And I'm going to show you how you can use AI to answer this question. You can see these are urgent, and you can see the date they posted this question, and you can see the due date. This is urgent, and you can see nobody have answered question on this platform.
I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT AI to answer this question. All you need to do is to stay to the end of this video. So I will walk you through step by step on how to do this task and earn money for yourself. You can do this with just your smartphone, working from home, anywhere in the world. Get your pay using PayPal or Bitcoin. If PayPal is not available in your country, Bitcoin is worldwide. You can create an account on Binance. Like I said, you get paid by answering student question, okay? So you can see how much they are willing to pay you. You can even make up to $100, $500, $50 by answering one question. So all you need to do is to select the one you can be able to answer, and do not be greedy. And you can see these questions are urgent, and you can see the date they posted this question. All you need to do is to select anyone. Okay, let me select this business, how to work. I tap on it. So in this question, they are asking you to explain business, how it works. And when you answer this question, you will get $3.60. And the date they posted this question is today. This is 23, and they need 241 word on this place. So all you need to do is to go to ChatGPT, and once you type on ChatGPT, then you come and paste your question here. So what you should do now is to click on this place and copy it. Okay, copy the question. Once you copy the question, right, this is ChatGPT. For those who do not have account, you can create account for yourself. I will drop all the link to this platform on the description below, so do kindly check the description of this video. So now, right now, I'm on my ChatGPT, and I've entered the question, which is, what is business? How does it work? Write 240 words to explain. All right. After that, you click on send. So for ChatGPT to write for us, you can see ChatGPT is writing about this business for us. So after ChatGPT finish writing this, all you need to do is highlight and copy and go and paste it on the right now. I have highlight and copy the content ChatGPT generated for me. Now you can see I have pasted my content here. Then I'm going to click on add your answer. Okay, after you submit your answer, you can click here that said answer question. Once you see our question has been added as number 1. Okay, so this is how you do it. You can select countless multiple question, and you can be able to answer. And when you look at this down here, you can see that you have over almost 2,464 questions to answer. Once you keep clicking on this place, new question will still pop up, and you will see how much you'll be able to earn on this question. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. I will get back to you. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn off the notification button, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, so that whenever we post any correct video on how to make money online, you will be the first to notify. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. If you're watching on TikTok or Facebook or other social media handle, kindly check the profile link on the bio. Ciao, ciao. See you on my next video.